a hand of reconciliation, he offered it without hesitation. Perhaps one of the greatest lessons he taught us was this: in the noble task of statecraft and nation building, there is room for all of us, competitors and collaborators, rivals and allies, bound together by one higher purpose, the greater good of our republic. Fellow citizens, those who worked closely with the Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga know that he was irrevocably stubborn in his vision for a just, prosperous, and united Kenya, a nation where opportunity belonged to all and justice favors none. In Tinga, Kenya found a reformer, a moral compass, a reconciler. He proved that progress demands both courage and patience, that we must be stubborn on the vision, but agile on the details, adjusting our means, our plans, and our strategies, but never compromising our mission. The gentleman we are bidding farewell today gave more to this country than most will ever. He endured years of imprisonment, exile, and political struggle for not the privilege of power, but for the principle of service. He bore the scars of his struggles with dignity and calm poise, and turned pain and suffering into purpose. Jacom was also at home in the humblest of homes and at ease on the grandest of global stages. His heart belonged to the people. He shared in their pain, rejoiced in their victories, and never lost faith in the people's goodness. Fellow monarchs, one of the Honorable Raila Odinga's favorite songs was Jamaica